Hi guys, today we're making Nigerian stew. This stew is the best for okra or ewedu soup. If you want to know how I make it, keep watching. So yeah, the ingredients: some pepper, tomato, garlic cloves, fish, and some seasonings and oil. Of course, the secret ingredients is tomato soup. Canned tomato soup. Will you believe that? Okay, first we're going to start by prepping the fish. I've washed it and I'm just seasoning it with salt and pepper and some thyme and one Maggi cube. After seasoning it, we're going to set it aside, let it combine, set aside and steam for about 5 minutes. Then we'll move on to the tomato to blend it. We're going to blend the tomato. I added the tinned tomato soup, so blended everything together. Then we'll start getting it ready. With this stew, you don't need to parboil the tomato. You just fry it straight away, so it's a very quick and easy stew. At this point, you can see I'm frying the onion, and now I'm just adding the blended tomato mixture, and then add your Maggi cube, salt, curry to season it up, and cover and cook for 10 minutes. Thereafter, you're gonna add the fish and let it cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, stir it to make sure it's not burning, and then taste for salt. And if it's okay, you cover it, let it cook for another 10 minutes, and thereafter the stew is ready. This stew is best eaten with okra or ewedu soup or rice, but I prefer to use it for okra and ewedu soup. It's so good, so delicious. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. God bless. Bye for now.